everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Achal and today I am super excited to start a new series. We will focus entirely on UI elements in UiPath. We have already covered Excel data handling and how to copy paste and export using UiPath. Now it's time to level up your automation skill and interact with the real web element like text boxes, tick boxes, radio buttons, drop downs, tables, and more. For this series, we will use a very popular website that is DemoQA.com, which is designed exactly for automation practices. Every episode, we will pick one type of element and build a UiPath workflow to automate it using different activities like type into, click, select item, get text, and more. In the first video, we will begin with the most basic UI element that is text box. Okay, we will automate a simple form using hard-coded data. Okay, so before going forward, I will show you a link. Okay, so this is a demo QA link, which is only for practice purpose. Okay, so here we are providing full name, email address, current address, permanent address by automation. Okay, after that, submit. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. Okay, so let's start building the bot. Okay, so I will go to the UiPath Studio, then I will create the process that is text box automation. Okay, so this is the process name and create. The first thing we will do is declare our input values. Okay, so instead of reading from Excel, we will hard code the data directly using assign activities. Okay, so I will go to the activity panel and I will take the assign activity here. Okay, so I will add four assign activities one by one. Okay, for full name, for email, for current address, for permanent address. Okay, so just control K, str full name. Okay, and value is Archer. Okay, after that, we will take the second assign str email. Okay, so Archer dot rpa at gmail.com. Okay, I will take third assign. Okay, so control K str current address. Okay, and the value is Pune, Maharashtra. That the last is permanent address. So control K str permanent address. Okay, so see Pune, Maharashtra. Okay, so here we are storing our personal details in string variable. Okay, so you can see in the data manager, all data types are string. Okay, so these values, you can see these values which I stored. Okay, so these value are fixed. Okay, and we will use them in the next step in to fill the form. Now, let's open the website where we want to fill the form. Okay, so we will use application and browser. You can use this as well, and the other option is one. browser. Okay, so I will use application and browser. Okay, so I use the activity that is use application browser. Okay, so I will go to the site. Okay, demoqa.com, and that is text box element. You can see text box and in the URL also. So just jump to the UiPath Studio and indicate the URL. Okay, just click. Okay, so you can see we have indicated the window browser, and here you can see the link as well, URL as well. Okay, so after that, inside the do block, we will perform all our interaction. Okay, so type into and the click activity we are using all inside do block. Okay, so let's now start filling the form filled one by one. Okay, so first is the full name. You can see here, first is the full name. So we will use the type into activity. Just go to the activity panel and search for type into. Okay, so type into and indicate the type in full name text box. Okay, where we want to uh, fill that data. Okay, so indicating the full name box. Okay, and pass our str full name variable. Okay, so now the bot is typing my name into the full name field using the variable we assigned earlier, right? So we have assigned that str full name. For second, for email ID, so just indicating the email text box, passing the variable which we have created for only email. Okay, just going to the third one, indicate current address. Okay, so provide str current address. Yes. Fourth one is for permanent address, right? So okay, okay, I cannot move. Okay, okay, yeah. Mm, okay, so str permanent address. Okay, so now we have all our field using hard-coded variable. Let's submit the form. Okay, so you can see here the option is submit. So for that we are using the activity. Okay, just go to the UiPath Studio and search for click activity in the activity panel. So just drag here. Yeah. So just indicate the submit button. Yeah. So the bot will now click on the submit button and just like a human user would. Okay. So yeah, I will save this and run this. Yes. Now you can see we have submitted our data and you can see here all name, email, current address and permanent address. Okay. Okay, so we just built a simple UiPath bot that fills a form on a website using hard-coded. Okay, so we use basic activities like assign activity and use application and browser activity, type into activity and click activity.